Hi students, so welcome you all. Okay, so because of some technical issues, it is little bit late. No problem. We can continue the class 15 minutes more. No problem. It is 10:15. I will continue till 10:45. Okay, so 30 minutes class will be done. No problem. So class is live now. You can join again and you can continue with the class. Okay, so please reply me everyone. Sorry for technical issues. It was getting little bit stuck with some software, so that's why it's got little bit late. No problem, so you can join the class again and we can continue the class. Okay, so please reply me everyone. So tell your friends to join again. Okay, so that we can continue our class. Clear? Okay, so we can continue the class, no problem. Okay, students. So I am going to continue our chapter, that is straight line. And as you all know, yesterday we have started this class, and today I am going to continue with the same session, that is straight lines. And yesterday we were solving some small problems, that is distance between 2 points. And we also seen the introduction of straight lines. So today I'm going to continue with the slope of straight line. Okay, so welcome to everyone. Okay, let us start with again straight lines is introduction part, which we have already seen yesterday. So I will not waste time here. Definition of straight line we have seen yesterday, and the condition for the straight line, that also we have seen yesterday. No problem. Notation, my dear students, the notations you can see distance between AB. So see here, distance between AB is denoted by distance between, okay, see this distance between A and B is denoted by like this. Okay, this is the distance between AB. So these are the basic notations that you can just go through, no problem. And the line segment AB is given by like this. This is line segment AB. Okay, and this is a ray from A to B. These are all some basic notations that is going to be very helpful for your competitive exams. You just go through that. This is the notation of line passing through 2 points A and B. So these are the some basic notations which we use in our class, that is distance between AB, we write it as just AB, and this is the geometrical representation. And line segment AB, this is the geometrical representation, and it is written by AB with line, and ray AB from A to B it is given by like this, and lines straight line through the points A and B is given by like this. Okay, so these are all some basic notations, you just go through it, that's all. Okay, let us go for slope. So now, can anyone please quickly tell me what is slope? Because already we have studied regarding slope, and I also gone through the definition of slope in the offline classes. So I feel that you can tell the definition of slope. So please tell me the definition of slope if anyone you know. And here we can just see that line making an angle theta. Here you can just see if a line makes an angle theta where theta is greater than 0, lesser than or equal to pi with x-axis. With x-axis. That means if a line makes an angle, if a line makes an angle theta where theta is greater than 0, lesser than pi with x-axis in the positive direction, in the positive direction like this. See, so this is the angle made by the line, made by the line with x-axis in the positive direction. In the positive direction, that is anti-clockwise, that is anti-clockwise here, and then theta is called inclination, and theta is called the inclination of the line, and tan theta is called slope of the line, and tan theta is called slope of the line. Very good. So most of you are telling the correct answer, that is inclination made by a line with x-axis is called slope. So but here just you go through again with the definition, that is if line makes angle theta, if line makes angle theta, if line makes angle theta in the positive direction of x-axis, in the positive direction of x-axis, see here, if line makes an angle theta where theta is in between 0 to pi with x-axis in the positive direction, in the positive direction, then theta is called inclination of the line, then theta is called inclination of the line, and tan theta is called slope of the line, tan theta is called slope of the line. So to make this simple, to make this definition simple, see here, I will write a very easy definition, you can follow that. That is the angle, the angle made by, the angle made by line, line with x-axis, with x-axis in the positive direction, in the positive direction, in the positive direction, that is m equal to tan theta is called slope. Okay, you can write like this. So this will be very easy definition for all of you. If you write this, no problem. If you write this also, no problem, you can get the marks. Okay, so that is angle made by line with x-axis in the positive direction, that is m equal to tan theta is called slope. Okay, so this is very very important, and I feel that all of you can write this because it is very simple, and if you know this you can write this also. Okay, if a line makes angle theta where theta is in between 0 to pi with x-axis in the positive direction, then theta is called inclination of the line and tan theta is called slope of the line. Clear? So you can write any one of this definition. So quickly tell me, first one is easy or the second one is easy? First definition easy or second definition easy? You can write. Okay. So Shiv Kumar is asking that how tan theta is slope of line. Don't worry, I will explain it. You can understand. Further, I am going to prove it. No problem. There you can understand. Okay. So now I think all of you understood the definition of slope. Can anyone tell me? Very good. Most of you are telling that second definition is very easy, and both you can read both also, no problem. Some of you are telling first one is easy, no problem, but most of the students are telling second one is easy. Okay, so no problem. You can follow the second definition also. That is the angle made by line with x-axis in the positive direction, that is m equal to tan theta, is called slope. So you can follow your second definition and you can write it. No problem. So here you can just see how the line is making an angle with x-axis. So this is the theta which is made by line with x-axis in the positive direction. In the positive direction, and you can see that this is the geometrical representation of slope, that is angle made by line with x-axis, angle made by line with x-axis in the positive direction. Okay, so everyone, is it clear? Definition of the slope is clear. Have you understood the definition of slope? Have you understood the definition of slope? Quickly tell me. If all of you say yes, I will continue. Otherwise, again, I has to clarify your doubts. So if you say yes, then I will continue with the next concept. Very good. Very good. So let us move to the next definition, that is m equal to tan theta is called slope. Okay. So before going to the next concept, you have to just see that how tan theta is called slope. How tan theta is called slope. So for that we shall see the proof of tan theta is equal to slope. Okay, so please go through this. I am going to write some important thing. Please go through it. That is slope of line, slope of line when, slope of line when coordinates, when coordinates of any 2 points, coordinates of any 2 points on the line are given, on the line are given. Okay, so that is slope of line when coordinates of any 2 points on the line are given. So Shiv Kumar asked that, sir, how tan theta is going to be the slope? So for that I will have proof here, and you also has to see this proof. Clear? So for this, my dear students, please see here. This is y-axis, this is x-axis, and now let us take a line making an angle with the x-axis. Okay, so this is the theta. Now what I will do, I will take 2 points, I will take 2 points on the line, that is P and Q. I will take the points P and Q, and I will take this as x1 y1. P is x1 y1, Q is x2 y2. So here we are seeing that how tan theta is going to be the slope. Okay, so for that you can just see, take a line making an angle theta with x-axis, choose 2 points P and Q on the line. Now you just see, I am going to join this. Okay, so from this you can just see that theta will be same as here. So quickly tell me how these angles are going to be equal. How these angles are going to be equal. All of you know that line intersecting two parallel lines, then the corresponding angles are equal. Then the corresponding angles are equal. So if this is theta, then here the angle will be also theta. Okay. So now we shall define here tan theta. Quickly tell me what is tan theta. All of you know that tan theta is what? Very good. Corresponding angles are equal. And please tell me what is tan theta. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Okay. So for that, if I take this point is M, it will be opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. What is opposite side? That is QM. And what is adjacent side? That is PM. Okay. So opposite by adjacent will be tan theta. So now PM. You want PM. See, PM is this particular line. This is PM. Now what is the length of PM? You can take it from x-axis. Here x value is x1 and here x value is x2. So if I take x2 minus x1, that will be the length of PM. x2 minus x1 will be the length of PM. Okay. Next, you can just see QM. For QM, we can write it as, see here, this corresponding line will be y1 and this corresponding line will be y2. So quickly tell me what is QM. Here PM is x2 minus x1, QM is y2 minus y1. That you can just see. Okay. So from this we can write this as tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent, opposite by adjacent, and that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So here tan theta is called slope of the line given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So quickly you have to tell me now what is slope definition? Not definition. Please tell me what is slope formula. What is the formula for slope? From this you can just say that you got two formulas when theta is given. When theta is given, tan theta is slope. When theta is given, tan theta is slope. And when when 2 points are given, that is x1 y1 and x2 y2, here the slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 and the notation is m. So slope is given by m. So m equal to tan theta and m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay. So from this I think you can understand what is slope and why tan theta is slope, that you can understand here. And you got two definitions for the slope. One is m equal to tan theta and another one is m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Everyone, please quickly tell me, have you understood? So you got two definitions. One is m equal to tan theta and another one is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Very good. Always remember there are two definitions for the slope. One is m equal to tan theta and another one is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 for the slope. So all of you are following my class. Very nice. So I will continue with example. I will continue with the example, that is, if the inclination of the line is 60 degree, if the inclination of the line is 60 degree, then its slope is root 3. See this example. The inclination of the line means here theta equal to 60 degree. Here theta equal to 60 degree given. Okay. Now slope, you can just see that slope m will be equal to tan theta, that is m tan 60 degree. That will be equal to root 3. So this is the example. This is the example. Okay. So example for slope when theta is given, that is 60 degree. Angle 60 degree is given. So if angle 60 degree is given, then the slope is root 3, that is tan 60. Can you tell me, if theta equal to 30 degree, what is slope? Quickly tell me. If theta equal to 30 degree, what is slope? Please tell me the answer quickly. If theta is 30 degree, what is the slope? Very good, Mahesh. Correct answer. That is tan 30 degree, and answer will be 1 by root 3. And answer will be 1 by root 3. Very good. So correct answers. Very nice. We can now continue with the second example. The slope of the line is 1. Can just see here the second example. If the slope of line is 1, then the inclination is 45 degree. Then the inclination is 45 degree, because you can just see that tan 45 degree is 1. Tan 45 degree is 1. So that's why here, if the slope of line is 1, then angle is 45 degree. Then the angle is 45 degree. I think all of you understood the second one. That is, if the slope of the line is 1, then the inclination is 45 degree. That means here slope is given, and we have calculated the angle made by line with x-axis. Angle made by line with x-axis. Okay. All of you, are you clear with the second definition? Okay. The slope of x-axis is 0. Slope of x-axis is 0. So see this, very important. Slope of x-axis is 0. Can you tell me why slope of x-axis is 0? You can see here, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and now if I take a line, which is on x-axis, here line is nothing but x-axis. You can just see that theta is equal to 0 degree. Here you can just see that theta is equal to 0 degree. Therefore, tan 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, slope of x-axis is also 0. Slope of x-axis is also 0. Okay. So can anyone tell me slope of y-axis? Tell me what is slope of y-axis quickly. Quickly tell me what is slope of y-axis. Very good, Surabhi. Correct answer. It is not defined. Slope of y-axis is not defined. Okay. Very good. Because you can just see that here y-axis is perpendicular to x-axis. Y-axis is perpendicular to x-axis. Therefore, angle is 90 degree, and we all know that tan 90 degree is not defined. Tan 90 degrees not defined. Therefore, slope of y-axis slope of y-axis is not defined. Slope of y-axis is not defined. Very good. Right answers. So all of you, I think you are following my points and you are all understanding the concept. So if you have any doubts, you can ask, no problem. Still 4 minutes of time is left. Okay. So here horizontal line means your y-axis. See this? Horizontal line is nothing but your y-axis. Sorry, not y-axis, line parallel to x-axis. Line parallel to x-axis. Horizontal line means line parallel to x-axis. Okay. Horizontal line means line parallel to x-axis. You can just see this is called horizontal line. Okay. And this is called vertical line. Y-axis is called vertical line. X-axis is called horizontal line, and you all know that horizontal lines are always parallel to x-axis. Horizontal lines are always parallel to x-axis. So please remember that if lines are parallel, slopes are equal. All of you know that. So therefore, for every line which is parallel to x-axis, slope is 0. Slope is 0. Okay. So therefore, horizontal line means it is parallel to x-axis. As you all know, slope of x-axis is 0. Therefore, slope of horizontal line must be 0. Clear? Okay. Next, slope of y-axis tan 90 degree, that is not defined. Already all of you know. Next, the slope of vertical line is not defined. See, vertical line means your line parallel to y-axis. Vertical line is line parallel to y-axis. Horizontal line means line parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. Clear? So therefore, now we shall come to end of our session. We shall come to end of our session. That is, we'll ask some questions and you should answer. Okay. First one. What is slope? Quickly tell me. What is slope? What is slope? Second one. Formula for slope. Formula for slope. Third one. Slope of vertical line. Slope of vertical line. Fourth one. Slope of x-axis. Quickly give me the answers. Very good. The angle made by the line with x-axis in the positive direction, that is m equal to tan theta. Shreya, please see, you complete your answer with that is m equal to tan theta. Don't only write the angle made by line with x-axis. Everyone please concentrate on one point. Don't write only line angle made by line with x-axis. You have to write angle made by line with x-axis in the positive direction, that is m equal to tan theta. This must be there. Without this your definition is not complete. Okay. So formula for slope is one is tan theta and the second one is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Very good. Next, slope of vertical line. All of you said that it is not defined. And slope of x-axis is 0. Okay. So let us continue the class tomorrow. And I think all of you are following all the definitions. Yes, you can write it as rise over run, no problem. Okay. So everyone, thank you for attending the class. And tomorrow I am going to continue the class with the same time, that is 10 a.m. Please follow the rules of Corona. Wear mask, maintain distance, wash your hands regularly, use sanitizer. So follow this all classes. Okay. Sorry, follow this all rules of Corona. That is very, very important. So my dear students, maintain social distancing, wear mask, use hand sanitizers and wash your hand regularly. Be home or be at home and be safe. Okay. So follow the Corona rules and maintain your health. Thank you.